How to add a link buttons to Telegram posts. Open Telegram and search for See Help Bot. Select this bot. Click on Start. Click on Add Channel button. We need to add this bot to Telegram channel. So copy the bot name. Go to Telegram channel where you want to create post with link buttons. Go to channel details and click on subscribers. Click Add Subscribers. Paste bot code and click Add as admin. Provide permission to post messages, edit messages, and delete messages. You can disable other options. After adding bot as admin to group, you are good to create the link buttons. Go to Channel Help Bot. Click Create Posts. Turn the notification on and click Next. Send the post message or media. I am sending photo and caption, but you can send anything. Now, provide the text for the button and the link in this format. Preview the post and the link. You can save the post or send to multiple channels or schedule post. To send now, click Send Post button. Confirm sending. That's it. Here you can see post is sent with link buttons. You can also add multiple links to the post. Just type the button text and link in separate lines. Click Next and confirm sending. Here you can see post is sent with multiple link buttons. You can also add reaction buttons to the post. Click on Add Reactions. Add emojis with space between. You can add up to 6 reactions. Here you can see post is created with reaction buttons. You can also create link buttons using ControllerBot. To use this bot, you need first create your own bot using BotFather. Copy the bot code and paste in the ControllerBot. Add the bot as an admin to the channel. Forward any message from channel to ControllerBot. Go to the bot which you created. Create a post. Click on Add URL buttons. Add button text and the link in this format. Click on Send button to send the post to your channel. Links to both bots are provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.